Diagram show an incomplete argument if the straight line JK parallel to MM, then the gradient of JK equal to gradient of MM. So not parallel. Okay, so this and this. Okay, then what remain here will be this and the knot. So the gradient of JK not equal to gradient of MM. Okay, so JK not equal to MMB. So this one is Form 4, Chapter 3, Logical Reasoning. Question 12. Diagram 7 show the contrapositive of an implication. So which of the following is the converse of the implication? So we have the statement is if P then Q. Converse is if Q then P. And inverse is if not P then not Q. Contrapositive is if not Q then not P. So this is contrapositive. This is the not Q and not P. So what we want now is the converse. So converse is P, if P then Q, if Q then P. So this equal, then they are mutually exclusive. So this is Q, this is P. Yes. Equal to, then R and S are mutually exclusive. Okay, C. Hmm. So this one also from 4 chapter 3 logical reasoning. Lesson number 13, diagram 8 show a Venn diagram. Universal set is the union of JKL. So list the element of outside the K complement of K union with L. So complement of K. So we want to find the complement of K is outside the K 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. And L is this one 7, 9, 10, 11. So union of these two will be 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. C. Okay, outside of K, so outside of K will be this. So this is outside of K. So this is K prime. And we have a L. L is this. Okay, so outside of K union with L will be 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is Form 4, Chapter 4, Operation on Set. Question 14. Okay. Diagram 9 is a Venn diagram show the favorite food of 5 Surya people. Given that universal set is the union of these three sets. So this is nasi lemak and then noodle and the spaghetti. Okay. And N of L is 20. M of N is 20 as L. So in the set between three set is 4. So L in the set with M is 5. So this is 1. So 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So determine the number of students who like to eat fried noodles and spaghetti. So fried noodle and spaghetti. This part. Okay, so we have the 20 minus 1 minus 7 minus 4. Then we have 8 here. Okay, so 4 plus 8. So number of student, this will be 4 plus 8, 12. A. So this one is Form 4, Chapter 4. Question number 15. Diagram 10 shows a straight line JK. Given that the gradient of straight line is negative 4, find the value of Q. So we know that the gradient is negative 4. This is phi 0. So Q minus 0 equal to 3 minus 5. So Q is negative 4 multiplied with negative 2. Then Q is 8. So the answer of this will be D. This is Form 2, Chapter 10 gradient, or you want to say that this is Form 3, Chapter 9 also can. So Puan Sophia packed 23 kg of sweet for her daughter's birthday party. She gave 7 times 10 to the power negative 1 kg to her child. So this is 0.7. And the remaining sweet were put into 180 small pack to be distributed to the guests. Calculate the average mass in kg, in gram of the sweet in each pack. So this is 23000. So gram. And then this one we multiply with 1000, then this is 700 gram. So we have this 23000 minus 700 divided by 180. Then this will be the answer. 1, 2. So 1.23 times 10 to the power 2. Okay. 1.24 gram. Okay. Answer is C. So this is Form 3, Chapter 2. Which of the following is the example of weighted graph? So current value of an electric circuit. Yes, this one. You try to imagine we have this one, then this electric circuit, then we have 5 ampere, and then move up, move down, then we have 2 ampere here, 3 ampere here, and then it go out, then we have the 5 ampere. So weighted sport tournament schedule, information in the organization chart, trail map. All of this is not weighted. Okay, so something like this. Okay. Ah, and 18. So diagram 11 show a right angle triangle. So Kn equal to NL. So find the length of mm. So over here, this is a right angle triangle. Okay. So this is 12 here. So this is the longer side. So LM is the shorter side. Then will be 20 square minus 12 square. So we have 16. And then this is 16. Okay. Then we want to find the value of mm. Okay, so this is 16 and this is 6. So longer side than the Pythagoras theorem. So this will be the answer. So for will be this 17.09. So the answer is B. Okay, so this is Form 1 chapter 13 and this is Form 4 chapter 5. Question number 19. Diagram 12 show the region satisfy two linear inequality in two variables. So based on the inequality, determine the region that satisfy these two inequality. Okay, so over here we have these two. Okay, so uh we look at the second one first. This one is easy. So greater than. So greater than will be here. Okay. And then for this one, we look at the y part. Okay. We look at the y greater than y less than equal. Okay. So what we do is we look at the y. Okay. So y less than equal to this. So will be this one. So the answer is D. Okay. This is because we rewrite this, we have x plus 2 greater than or equal to y less than equal to x plus 2. So for inequality, we have to look at the y part, okay? Make sure you look at the y part. So this is Form 4, Chapter 6. So question number 20. Diagram show two quadrilateral P and Q. Q is the image of P under a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees. Determine the center of rotation. Okay, so let's say we have A, B, C, D here, clockwise rotation. So we have this one, and then clockwise, then it will look like this. So we have the A prime, B prime, C prime, and AB. I and AB. This should be C, and this is D. A B C D. C prime D prime. Okay, so C and C prime, their perpendicular bisector will be here. And then the next, we want to find the B and B prime, their perpendicular bisector. For B and B prime will be this. Okay. Uh, so perpendicular bisector for B and B prime. Yes. Okay. So the center will be -2, -1. So -2, -1. Okay. So B to the center we have 1, 3, then 3, 1. Horizontal become vertical, vertical become horizontal. So 4, 1, 1, 4. Yes, correct. Okay, so the answer is C. So this one is from 2 chapter 11, transformation, rotation.